Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to install the ForexHost VPS onto your MacBook computer. Step number one is coming down to your Launchpad and installing an application called Microsoft Remote Desktop. Once you download Microsoft Remote Desktop, the next thing is to come and open Microsoft Remote Desktop. It will pop up just like this. After you have this open, the next step is to get your VPS information back in your email that ForexHost has sent you. Here's the email from forexhost.net, and here is the information you need to put into your Microsoft Remote Desktop to launch your VPS. So step one is right here. What you need to do is come back over to Microsoft Remote Desktop and create a new session. The connection name is any name you want to name your virtual computer. So let's just say VM. PC name is this number right here. Paste that there. Username is administrator. Copy and paste. And here's your password for your virtual computer. Paste that here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is hit the red X, and here is your virtual computer. Now to open it, just double click, hit continue, and you have successfully installed the ForexHost VPS onto your computer.